Speak up. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Uncle Nate with
Ayden the Shark.
I'd like to thank our sponsor of the week, Crest Cleaners. Keith and the gang are some really good guys. If you have any dry cleaning needs, make sure to give them a shout. They have 4 locations in Brevard. I'd be really glad to help you. We had a double header race this week for the first time, 2 races in one day. What'd you think about that, buddy?
Exhausting.
Exhausting. So this is our first race of the day in the morning. We got to the track about 9, and then this is about 8:30 at night on our first heat race over in Ambassador, which is in Tampa. What do you think about this track, little buddy?
It's slick, and it's hard to get around because of how slick it is, and like you have to be on certain points of the track or it's gonna make you feel like you're gonna get thrown off the track.
Yeah, this track's really tight. It's got a sealed surface. The tire game here is a little different. The setup's a little different. A lot faster lap times. You got 8-second, low 9-second lap times here. We're still in the first heat race. We ended up pulling out a second here. I can't remember this gal's name. She's really nice. They came from the 417 track that's closed down. We hope to see them some more. And then we're kicking off the main. Who's that in front of you, buddy?
Sadie.
That's Sadie. Sadie's a real good racer. She races dirt and the Georgia and Florida series. We run into them from time to time. This is their home track. We're hoping to stick it to them a little bit here, but she's out front right now. How's it going so far?
Good. The kart's handling good, but isn't it like this restart when my tires start to go away?
Yeah, and the second restart here, right in the middle of the turn, the next restart possibly, you get a little sideways and we scuff our tires. And then from that point forward, they just kind of weren't the same. Once you break loose on them, I'm not really sure what goes on with them there, but they definitely go away after that on this track right there. You can see it. And from that point forward, we lost a little bit of speed. And but reviewing these videos, we see a couple mistakes we've made, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
And we got some notes from this race. We have a race coming up here. The second week of April is the second Florida Oval asphalt race. So we hope Sadie makes it back to give us a chance at getting out front this time. And we're going to be at that race. But talk us through the last lap or two here, buddy. How you feeling so far out on the track? It's getting pretty late.
Tired,
yeah. It was about 10 o'clock. We got home about 1. That's Sadie there on the right, Ayden on the left. Congratulations, Sadie. This is our buddy Lane. He Ironmaned it with us that day. Went coast to coast.